Reading is more than recognizing words. It is the key driver of language growth, comprehension, imagination, and emotional intelligence. When children engage in storytelling, they build stronger vocabularies and communication skills. Interactive methods like asking questions, predicting outcomes, and retelling stories also sharpen critical thinking and listening abilities. Even simple picture books can spark curiosity and meaningful conversations, while helping children develop empathy by connecting with characters, emotions, and experiences. Through our teacher training program at the Early Years Specialist, educators learn how to make storytelling engaging, interactive, and culturally relevant, while parents are also encouraged to read aloud at home and discuss stories to deepen learning. If this was helpful, like, comment, and follow, and reach out to the Early Years Specialist to learn more about our training programs. Thank you.